Start. At the present time, great attention is paid to the exploration of the north and south poles of the earth by explorers of all nations. Stop. Some of the names made famous in connection with polar exploration are Nansen, a Norwegian doctor who sailed in the Fram and succeeded in getting very near to the North Pole. Lieutenant Peary, a daring American who was the first to reach the North Pole. Amundsen, who accompanied Nansen in the Fram and who was the first to discover the South Pole, and Scott, who unfortunately lost his life while returning after having reached the South Pole. Stop. Among them, they have added much to geographical knowledge, and in a great measure, investigators at the present day know as much about these in point of fact as is likely to prove of scientific value. Stop. But sooner or later, sentiment rather than science will be gratified by the discovery and publication all over the world of every secret of these untrodden regions. Stop.